Ever wondered how some people are raking in cash from the comfort of their homes? The secret lies in OnlyFans, a platform where creators provide exclusive content to their fans, spanning interests from fitness to cooking. Sounds interesting? Let's dive deeper into how you can make money on OnlyFans. First things first, you need to set up an OnlyFans account. It's straightforward. Just remember, you must be at least 18 years old. A valid government-issued ID is essential for verification. It's a breeze, really. Now that you've got your account set up, what's next? Content is king on OnlyFans, so you need to give it your all. Let's delve into the heart of the matter. Creating high-quality and unique content is paramount. You're not just creating, you're crafting a story that needs to resonate with your specific audience. Consistency is key, too. Like your favorite TV show, you want your audience eagerly awaiting your next post. Keep them hooked, keep them engaged. This is how you build a loyal fan base. Remember, the more engaging your content, the more your followers will be willing to pay. Once you've got your content, it's time to monetize it. You can set your subscription price, giving fans access to your exclusive content. Or consider selling individual pieces of content for a set price. And don't forget about tips. Your fans can show their appreciation with a little extra. Just remember, OnlyFans takes a 20% cut from all earnings. So the potential to earn on OnlyFans is only limited by your creativity and dedication. So there you have it, the ins and outs of making money on OnlyFans. We've journeyed through the process, setting up an account, crafting engaging content, and strategizing on monetization. The potential earnings can be substantial, but remember, it requires dedication and a dash of creativity. The ball is in your court. It's time to unleash your unique talents and monetize them effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips on making money online. Remember, your success is in your hands.